Hi everyone! Today we're going to be drawing the Cybertronian car, or alternate mode, of B-127. Before we start, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss an update. For this drawing, you should probably use a compass to make the circles look neater, and a ruler to make the straight lines perfect. Also, if you feel like I'm drawing too fast, remember you can always change the video speed in the bottom right corner of your screen. And we have finished drawing the Cybertronian car, or alternate mode, of B-127. Don't forget, you can download the Cybertronian car coloring page in the description box below. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with ideas for the next drawing. Bye-bye!